Have you ever wondered how all the sensitive electronic components in your remote control vehicle get their power without getting completely overwhelmed by your main battery? It is a great question to consider, because a simple mistake here could really impact your fun and your components. Yes, your remote control receiver almost certainly needs a battery eliminator circuit, or BEC, to operate safely and correctly. This essential component ensures that your receiver and other low-voltage electronics receive the precise, lower voltage they need, even when your main power battery is much higher. The fundamental reason for needing a BEC lies in a simple voltage mismatch. Your main power battery, especially common lithium polymer batteries, often supplies a much higher voltage, anywhere from 7.4 volts to 25 volts or even more, to power your powerful motor. However, your receiver, which is essentially the brain of your RC vehicle, along with its connected servos, are designed to operate within a much narrower and lower voltage range, typically between 4.8 and 6 volts, though some newer, high-voltage servos can handle up to 8.4 volts. Connecting a high-voltage main battery directly to these sensitive components would immediately damage them, essentially frying their delicate circuits. The BEC intelligently takes that high input voltage and efficiently reduces it to a safe, stable output voltage that your receiver can handle, eliminating the need for a separate, smaller battery just for the receiver. Knowing whether you have a BEC or need one is usually straightforward. Most electronic speed controllers, or ESCs, which control your motor, come with a BEC function built right in. You can check your ESC or receiver manual to confirm if it has this integrated feature and what its voltage output is. If your ESC does not have a built-in BEC, or if you are running a particularly demanding setup with many servos, you might need a standalone BEC, sometimes called a universal BEC or switching BEC. These are separate units that perform the same voltage regulation task. When selecting or verifying your BEC, pay attention to its current rating. There are two main types: linear BECs and switching BECs. Linear BECs are simpler and generate more heat, making them less efficient, especially when stepping down a large voltage difference. Switching BECs are generally more efficient, run cooler, and can handle higher current loads, which is important if you have multiple powerful servos drawing a lot of electricity. Matching your BEC's current output to the total current demand of your servos is crucial for reliable operation, preventing brownouts where your receiver briefly loses power due to insufficient current. Ultimately, the BEC is a small but mighty component that plays a vital role in the health and performance of your remote control vehicle. By ensuring a stable and correct power supply to your receiver and servos, it prevents costly damage, maintains reliable control, and helps guarantee that every run, flight, or drive is as smooth and enjoyable as possible, allowing you to focus on the fun of the hobby.